Have you ever stopped to think that the solution to many of your health problems might already be sitting in your kitchen? Imagine this: one single root, spicy, aromatic, and ancient, has been helping people around the world for over 4,000 years. From easing stomach issues to potentially fighting cancer and supporting your brain as you age, this natural powerhouse is ginger. And in today's video, we're diving deep into 9 science-backed benefits of ginger that can truly change your health. We'll explore how this remarkable root can help with digestion, regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, ease anxiety, and even protect your brain from degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But make sure to stick around until benefit number 7, because that one could be critical for your cognitive health, especially after age 50. All the information in this video is based on current research and reviewed by health professionals, but always talk to your doctor before adding new supplements or herbs to your routine. 1. Ginger naturally soothes nausea. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits: ginger's ability to relieve nausea and vomiting. Whether you're dealing with motion sickness during travel, morning sickness during pregnancy, or nausea due to medication or chemotherapy, ginger has proven effective in reducing those uncomfortable sensations. Its active compounds, gingerols, shogaols, and zingerone, help by relaxing the gastrointestinal muscles and speeding up gastric emptying, which means your stomach digests food more efficiently. Simple ginger tea recipe for nausea. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Sip slowly up to 3 times a day. Ginger is especially helpful for women in early pregnancy, though high doses should be avoided. Always consult your healthcare provider. 2. It boosts your immune system. Naturally. If you're looking to strengthen your immune system, ginger is one of the best natural options available. The compound gingerol enhances your body's production of white blood cells, macrophages, and natural killer NK cells, which play crucial roles in destroying harmful viruses, bacteria, and even mutated cells. Regular consumption of ginger may help your body respond faster to infections, especially respiratory viruses like the common cold or influenza A. Ginger also reduces oxidative stress, which can weaken your immune response over time. Including a small amount of raw or cooked ginger in your meals, smoothies, or tea can keep your immunity resilient year-round. 3. It reduces migraine frequency and intensity. Anyone who suffers from migraines knows how debilitating they can be. Head-throbbing pain, light sensitivity, nausea. It's no joke. Ginger may help by inhibiting prostaglandins, the inflammatory chemicals that trigger migraine pain. It also improves blood flow, relaxes tense muscles in the scalp and neck, and may reduce neurogenic inflammation in the brain. A clinical trial comparing ginger powder to a common migraine medication, sumatriptan, found ginger to be nearly as effective, without the pharmaceutical side effects. Try taking a small piece of raw ginger or 500 milligrams of ginger powder at the onset of symptoms. Want better results? Combine it with magnesium and B2-rich foods, both of which are migraine-fighting nutrients. 4. Ginger helps fight inflammation and may lower cancer risk. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many diseases, from arthritis and cardiovascular disease to autoimmune conditions and cancer. This is where ginger shines. Its high concentration of antioxidants and phytochemicals helps neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular damage. Lab studies show that ginger extract may inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells, suppress tumor formation in breast and colorectal cancers, prevent angiogenesis, new blood vessels feeding tumors. In one human study, participants who took 2 grams of ginger extract daily experienced reduced markers of colon inflammation, an early sign of colorectal cancer risk. While not a cure, ginger is a powerful cancer prevention tool when combined with a balanced diet rich in vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. 5. It can help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent ginger research is its ability to support metabolic health, especially for those managing type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, or prediabetes. Here's how it works. Ginger increases insulin sensitivity by improving glucose uptake in cells. It enhances pancreatic beta cell function, promoting more stable insulin production. It reduces fasting blood sugar levels and may lower HbA1c over time. In a 12-week clinical study, people who took 2 grams of ginger powder daily had a 12% reduction in fasting blood sugar and improvements in long-term glycemic markers. Want to manage sugar cravings and stabilize energy? Ginger tea between meals might be your secret weapon. 6. It supports mental health and lowers anxiety. Anxiety is one of the most common mental health conditions in the world today, and chronic stress takes a toll on both mind and body. Ginger has adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress by regulating cortisol levels and supporting neurotransmitter balance, particularly serotonin and dopamine. It also reduces inflammation in the gut, which is now known to play a critical role in mood regulation due to the gut-brain axis. Pro tip: pair ginger with turmeric and omega-3 rich foods like flax seeds or walnuts to enhance its mood-supporting effects. 7. It aids in digestion and eases bloating. After eating a heavy meal, do you ever feel bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable? Ginger promotes healthy digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, reducing intestinal spasms and acid buildup, speeding up gastric motility, how fast food moves through the digestive tract. It's often combined with peppermint, fennel, or chamomile for a soothing herbal remedy. Ideal for those with functional dyspepsia, GERD, or stomach ulcers, but always use in moderation. 8. It helps manage asthma and supports lung function. If you suffer from asthma, bronchitis, or chronic coughing, ginger may provide relief. Its active compounds relax airway-smooth muscles, reduce bronchial inflammation, and help clear mucus from the lungs. This is especially helpful in allergic asthma, where histamines overactivate the immune response. Try this home remedy. Juice 2 inches of fresh ginger with 1 teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon. Drink in the morning to ease breathing throughout the day. Ginger is not a replacement for prescribed inhalers, but can complement your respiratory care routine. 9. It protects brain function and may prevent Alzheimer's disease. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's are increasingly common, especially in aging populations. The good news? Ginger may help slow or even prevent cognitive decline. Here's why. It reduces beta-amyloid plaque formation in the brain. It suppresses key enzymes, COX2, 5-LOX, that trigger neuroinflammation. It boosts glutathione peroxidase and catalase, antioxidant enzymes essential for clearing free radicals in the brain. Research suggests that ginger may improve working memory, reduce brain fog, and protect brain cells from oxidative damage, making it a great ally for anyone over 50. Potential side effects and safety tips. Ginger is generally safe for most people when used in culinary amounts. However, high doses, especially supplements, may cause heartburn, stomach upset, diarrhea, mild allergic reactions, drug interactions, blood thinners, e.g., warfarin, diabetes medications, heart medications, gallstone risk. If you're on medication or have a chronic condition, always talk to your doctor before using high-dose ginger. Final thoughts. Why ginger deserves a spot in your routine. To sum it up, ginger isn't just a spice. It's a functional food, a natural healer, and one of the most well-researched herbs in the world. Whether you want to ease digestive issues, support heart and brain health, control blood sugar, or just feel more energetic day to day, ginger can be your go-to remedy. You can add it to morning smoothies, stir-fries and soups, herbal teas, or take it in capsule or powder form. Have you tried ginger in your daily routine? Maybe as tea, a cooking spice, or even a supplement? Share your experiences and tips in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to make a positive change. If you learned something valuable today, give this video a like and subscribe for more science-based health videos every week. Tap the bell so you never miss the next natural health tip that could transform your well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.